Hello everyone, sanibonani, dumelang, absheni, molweni, thobela, lochani. I hope you all good people out there. Welcome to 105 online channel. In this channel, we are bringing you celebrity news, entertainment news and gossip celebrity news. If you are new into this channel, please subscribe. Hey good people, today I am bringing you the latest news of King Misizulu. A group of Zulu royal family has vowed to keep fighting for Prince Misizulu legitimacy as their monarch, claiming he is unfit to govern the Zulu nation. According to News Ample, the following claims leveled against the allegedly flamboyant overseas educated prince: has allegedly impregnated two of his cousins and fathered a child with one of his mother's domestic helpers. He is also alleged to be an irresponsible drunk who has failed on a number of occasions to honor appointments and has paraded himself as a king, although he has not yet been crowned. The movement against Prince Misizulu is led by Prince Zulu King, the late King Zwelithini's sister. The movement claims that Prince Simakade Zulu, the deceased monarch's firstborn son, is the true heir to the throne. When these royals declined to attend the meeting called by Prince Misizulu to settle the succession issue, they reached a boiling point. The conference took place in Ulundu, KwaZulu-Natal on Wednesday. Prince Thembi replied to the letter of invitation by saying she will not attend the public gathering because the invitation came from someone claiming to be a king when the country had not yet crowned him. The letter stated that the prince will recall that the subject of his monarchy is still before the Cooperative Governance and Traditional Affairs Committee. As a result, a prince is well aware that the royal family has never recognized his designation as the king. For reasons that the prince is well aware of this, and this will be discussed before the ministerial committee. When the prince decides to be named the king, it causes problems for us as a family. He also goes by the name of Isilo, acts as if he is, despite the fact that he is not. As the prince also knows, the royal family does not approve his reign. In that sense, the prince was unable to call a royal household assembly. Second, the prince, like all of the king's offspring, is a child at home. As a result, the child is unable to call or send someone to call a meeting, despite his mother Queen Regent Manthombi Dlamini naming him in a will in May. King Misizulu has yet to be anointed due to family feuds over who should inherit the kingdom. 6 of the late king's siblings declined to attend the meeting, including Prince Mbonisi Vulindlela, Prince Mathubesizwe Zulu, and Prince Thembi, and all of the late king's widows, as well as 13 senior princesses, were not present. It seems like there's a war in the Zulu kingdom, guys. What's your take on these allegations, people? Please leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can get more news on this channel. 105 online channel loves you. Bye, good people.